can see, it's browned up on us. So we're gonna put it. I'm putting it in a towel for drainage. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. Hello friends, how you doing? Snacks today. Take one, take two, take three, take four. Chop, chop, chop. Chin chin. For cocktail hour. So this is cocktail hour special. Milk has sugar and has milk in it. So ingredients. I'm taking condensed milk. I'm putting half of this. So I'm gonna make more. I wanted to reserve this. Why not? How much flour we need. So while I'm doing that, I'm adding now baking powder. With pea powder. So I level it. Baking powder is in. Just a pinch. It's more delicious. It has more flavor. So that's nutmeg. Just gonna grate it in. Cream. Like, I'm here. Of course, I'm gonna put tiny little bit of vanilla. So I'm putting this vanilla essence. This is what I have left from when I did the beignets. So I'm just gonna add it. Oh, so good, yummy, gooey. So I'm mixing it together. It's not difficult to mix. Just be careful so the flour is not all over your body. That's all. Just mix it. I want it to be concentrated because I want that when somebody takes one of the chin-chin and bite it, they could feel the love. So now my hands are going in because I am not joking. Here I'm playing. Feel free to use margarine instead of butter at this point. Okay. So I don't want anybody to feel it's difficult. It's flours. Put them at the side. We might need it when we're cutting. If I don't need it now, this one is enough. This is as hard as Play-Doh. Like it feels like Play-Doh right now. Let it rest. I've molded it now. It's like a very stiff Play-Doh. Just let it rest. I'll cover it. And then I will get back in 10 minutes and we'll start making the chin-chin. See how easy it is? We gave it about 10 minutes rest. It's still tough. Look at it. Like a brick. It's still soft. You can put dent on it. So I'm just going to level it to the size I want it to be. So that's what I did. You could use pizza cutter. I'm just going to use knife for today. Yeah, so that they fry together at the same speed. Okay, that's what I would like. So so I'm cutting it this way. So I'm making it so like a square. Bubbling. The onion is bubbling. So that means that we are there. See the onion? Those are the things. I put the onion there just to flavor the oil. Okay. Put it in there. And it's just gonna dismantle itself. And so I make sure I have them one. Some of them are just clinging too much to each other. They're too much in love. So many Romeo and Juliet chin-chins in here. Okay. So, guys, we're ready now. The chin-chin, as you can see, it's browned up on us. So, we're gonna put it. I'm putting it in a towel for drainage. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. And as it cools off, it becomes really crunchy. Oh, this just brings memory back to me. I eat a lot of it. Leave it down to cool. And then I'm going to keep this ones. These ones I've already cut them. I'm going to put them back in the oil. I separate them immediately so they don't glue together. Separate them immediately. Encourage them not to glue to each other. So these ones are almost ready. The ones we just put in. I told you it cooks so fast. So you see it's pale. Don't worry about it because as you keep it out, it's going to brown up as it cools off. So I'm using this type of spoon that has hole in it. So spread it out. Spread the love. Okay guys, you can see the chin-chin, you can just eat it. And crunchy on its own. You can just eat it as crunchy on its own, or even better on the ice cream, on your favorite ice cream. Imagine serving this for wedding to the guest. Perfect. That's chin-chin elevated.
I heard that's how we show. Yeah.